Welcome to Cloud Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to fly a drone. Here I have a Digmeton RC drone here with me. That's it. One of the best drone for beginners because the drone are not too expensive. Here's the manual. There's the manual. Here's the screw. Here we have the app user guide. The app, then the extra blade and the blade cover. Then also here we have the camera. We have the camera rotation. You see. Then finally extra spares with remote. Then a phone stand to place your device when flying. So before taking off a drone, we have pre-takeoff instructions we have to follow. And the first instruction is we have to check if the drone is in good condition. Firstly, we have to check the blade. To spin the blade, so spinning. Whenever you spin the blade and it's not spinning, it means you don't have to fly the drone. The drone has a bad motor or the drone is bad itself. Then the next thing is you check the battery power. So if the battery is fully charged, here is my battery and it's fully charged. Here's the battery charger. So whenever you want to connect this, you open this. This is the connector. Then you place the battery straight in. Then you connect. So you pack this back for the place where it is. Pack them back. You make sure the pack is being packed well so the battery won't remove during flight. It's sewed, then you on. And this is flashing lights, so it means it's in pairing mode. It's ready to be connected either to your remote or to your device. So here's my remote. I have to switch it on. So you can see the light is blinking. It's blinking. That means it's ready to pair. So for it to pair, you have to bring this up the thrust and bring it down. So the blinking stop, the light is there. So it means the pairing is successful. Then here are some few things to put notes before flying a drone. Here on the remote, we have this for takeoff, this to change the gears, this to go upward, this come upward, then this for 360 yaw, so to rotate 360 yaw. Yes. Then this to bring the phone, to bring the drone to the front, bring it back, left and right. For this, up, down, left and right. We have to ignore this because it's working as the same as this. This is emergency stop. Possibly maybe you're flying a drone, then you have a slight issue, maybe the drone is not responding, then you have to use the emergency stop to cancel the drone. Pause. To stop the drone. Here is for emergency landing. This for the camera. I've removed this for the camera. The camera is here about. Here's the camera. I kept this. Is the camera. Then this is headless mode. So this is to bring down, to land the drone, and this is for 360 acrobat. 360 acrobat. 360 acrobat. So Now let's do a few practical. So then before flying the drone, you have to make sure you fly it in a safe environment to avoid crash or damage. Firstly, you have to avoid wires, then fence. So wires and fence. Then sure you use a free environment. Now take a look at the surrounding. You have a lot of space to fly. Now there's a little practical. The drone. Now you take off. You can see. Then get upward. You go front and back. Bring it upward a little bit. You can see. So yeah, play again. But this time I'm out. So as you can see in the video previously, once you are still beginning, you are still learning how to fly a drone. You don't have to fly the drone too much high. Don't let the drone go above your head to make sure the frequency is balanced. Now we're gonna do something like a freestyle. Let's go straight. Are you ready? Now everybody, I'm gonna show you the 360 acrobat. Can you see, guys? Yeah, guys, can you see that? This is amazing! Wow! Wow! So we have to go straight into business now. Look at this. Look at this. Wow! Wow! You see that? This is amazing! Wow! Guys, you see that? Look at that! Look at this! Wow! See that? This is incredible. Look at that. Then what we have to do now is to fly the drone back to its basement. You have to lower it down, to bring it down, That's the ring and then stop. Video. I know this video we have. For more updates, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and to subscribe to our channel. Welcome back to Cloud Wete.